Hello everyone, if your GTA 5 is crashing during the loading screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix GTA 5 from crashing on your loading screen easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer. Now you're going to go to your C drive and then you're going to go into users. Here you're going to select your username and then you're going to go into documents and then you'll have this folder called Rockstar Games. You're just going to go ahead and either delete this folder or just move it from here onto any other place, and after that you can go ahead and try to play GTA 5 and you'll see if your game works, then you're good. But if it didn't, then what you can do next is make sure you don't have any overlay applications running in the background. So any applications like MSI Afterburner or Corsair IQ, just close those applications. And after you're done closing those applications, now you can check your game. If your game works, then you're good. But if it still doesn't, then the last thing you can do is verifying the game's files. So I'll show you how to verify the game's files on all three platforms: Steam, Epic Games, and Rockstar Games. So you're going to right click on GTA 5 on Steam and then go into properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of games files. And on Epic Games, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your library and then you'll see these three dots onto GTA 5. You're going to click onto them, click manage, and then click verify here, and that should verify the game's files. And now on the Rockstar Games launcher, what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. You're going to go into settings here, and here you'll have the button to scan the game's files. So you're going to click onto that, and that should scan the game's files. And once it does that, now you can go ahead and play GTA 5 and you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get those crashing during the loading screen problems anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.